If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and constantly on this treadmill to keep up with your monthly finances, in today's video, I'll be sharing 5 passive income ideas that you can get started with. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Carrie, and on this channel, we talk everything about ways you can make money from home, business ideas, and mindset tips. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so once I upload other videos, you will be notified. The first one is investing in dividend stocks. Now, investing in stocks will allow you to get a steady income on a month to month basis. And in order to own stocks, you must first have shares in a particular company. I will highly recommend the S&P 500 simply because it's a good stock. It actually has a lot of high performing stocks that you can purchase from companies, and over time, you will be able to grow significantly because most of these are top companies that wants you to invest in their companies. So we're talking about Pepsi, Johnson and Johnson, those types of companies that we see on a day-to-day basis. Now, once you have chosen your stocks that you want to invest in, you're going to go ahead and track and monitor your investments. And once these companies make a profit, you also make a profit. Now, let's say, for example, you decided to purchase 30 stocks, and each one of those stocks will generate you $400 per year. That means you will be making $1,000 in passive income on a month to month basis. Looking at investing in stocks is definitely one of the ways that you can earn a passive income on a month to month basis without lifting a finger. The second passive income idea is selling your photos online. There are so many companies out there that will pay you to upload your photos, and once someone makes a purchase, you will get paid. This can be done at any age. You don't need any experience, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is just a good camera on your phone. Once you have taken great photos, you can upload them to different sites. There are sites that will literally pay you every time someone makes a purchase or even when someone views your photos. So you can get started on sites like Fope, iStock, or Shutterstock. Those are some popular websites that will pay you for your photos. So this is one of the easiest way anyone at any age can actually make money just by selling the photos that they have in their phone. So while this passive income idea won't make you millions of dollars, it's still a great way for you to make extra money without lifting a finger. And you can upload them once and generate money from them on a consistent basis. So that's definitely a great way to make passive income. One of the fastest growing passive income ideas is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing has been around for decades, and it's one of the ways a lot of people are able to become millionaires. They simply take an idea or product and recommend it to someone in their circles, or they recommend it to their readers or audience. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending other people's products and getting paid once someone makes a purchase. Now, you don't need to have any experience, any skills in order to do this. All you have to do is find a product that you love using on a day to day basis. I'm sure most of you are using different products on a day to day basis that you can tell someone about, and you recommend it to your audience, your followers on social media. And once someone makes a purchase on that, you will get a commission. One of the biggest affiliate marketing programs that you can join is Amazon Associates. You can go on Amazon and you can find any of their products that you have used and recommend it to your audience. What you want to do is that you want to create social media profiles. That means you can gain audiences or followers. So is affiliate marketing hard? I would give it a hard no. It's not hard. Is it something that can scale quickly? It definitely is, as long as you be consistent on social media and find your audience that will be interested in the product that you have promoting. The next passive income idea will allow you to build generational wealth, and if done the right way, you can make millions of dollars per year. And I'm talking about real estate investment. There are so many ways to invest in real estate having $0. There are other ways to invest in real estate quickly if you do have the funds. So, one of the ways that you can start investing in real estate with $0 is looking at real estate wholesaling. So, with real estate wholesaling, what you would do is find a property that's distressed or vacant and contact the owner, find out if they're selling. And what you want to do is you want to assign it to an end buyer or a cash buyer for a profit. So, it does take time for you to find these properties, skip trace them, negotiate with the owner, finding cash buyers, and also closing. So it does take time for you to get your foot through the door. But once you get in, you'll be able to purchase properties on your own eventually. Now, the next way to actually invest in real estate is through real estate arbitrage. And again, you just need a couple of $1,000s in order to rent that property from the landlord, and then you put it on Airbnb and collect the difference. So that's another way to actually invest into real estate without actually having a lot of money. And furthermore, you can start purchasing your own properties and renting them out. The last passive income idea is content creation. Now, content creation can be in various ways. There's video content creation and there is written content creation. So look at it as a blog and threads for written content creation, and for video content creation, we're talking about TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. So, being a content creator, you're able to monetize based on views, based on bonuses. Now, content creation has been increasing significantly. A lot of creators are able to monetize their content, and it's one of the ways a lot of people are able to become financially independent. They're able to stop living from paycheck to paycheck, but actually making passive income on a month to month basis. Think about things that you do in your everyday life. You can actually talk about it on social media. However, if you're not that type of person, there are so many other ways that you can make money with your content. It's not just video content like TikTok, YouTube, or Reels. You can also do writing content that will allow you to monetize your knowledge. So if you are looking for a passive income idea that is evergreen, that can help people, I will highly recommend doing content creation. And it doesn't have to be you sitting in front of a camera, it can be completely faceless. It can be also you writing a blog or even doing something faceless. So, those were the five passive income ideas that you can start to make $500 per day. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so once I upload other videos, you will be notified. And I'll see you in my next video.